Welcome to Christmas Eve, where the clock's hands are quietly approaching midnight, and it's time to bid goodnight to all our lovely Christmas friends. Would you like to explore this magical and joyful moment with me? Hey, Gingerbread Man! He has been baking sweet treats all day and is now feeling a bit tired. Can you help the Gingerbread Man find a warm place and say goodnight to him? Good night, Gingerbread Man. Hello, Toy Soldier. He has been guarding the presents all day and is starting to feel a bit weary. Can you say goodnight to the Toy Soldier? Good night, Toy Soldier. Hello, Christmas dear. With antlers adorned and a festive spirit, he's been prancing around, adding joy to the celebration. Can you help the Christmas deer find a cozy spot and say goodnight? Good night, Christmas deer. Hello, Christmas tree. You've been twinkling your bright lights all day, brightening the room with your festive cheer. Can you say goodnight to the Christmas tree? Good night, Christmas tree. Hello, snowman. He has been spreading winter magic all day and now he's tired. Can you say goodnight to the snowman? Good night, snowman. Hello, elf. He's been busy in Santa's workshop making toys and wrapping gifts. Now, he's feeling tired and ready for bed. Can you say goodnight to the elf? Good night, elf. Hello, Rudolph. His nose has been glowing brightly, guiding the way for everyone. Now it's time for him to rest. Can you help Rudolph settle in and say goodnight? Good night, Rudolph. Hello, Santa. He's been flying around the world, delivering presents to those who are sleeping. Now, he needs some rest. Can you help Santa get comfortable and say goodnight? Good night, Santa. And look who's here, our special friend, the mouse. He's been quietly watching all the holiday magic unfold, making sure everything runs smoothly. Can you help the mouse settle in and wish him a good night? Good night, mouse. All our Christmas friends are tucked up and sleeping soundly. Now it's your turn to close your eyes and dream about all your adventures this Christmas. Good night, little one. Good night.